No plastic, all metal, and over 20 new features. Contour has just got a whole lot better. Among the many new exciting features, a standout favourite is the elimination of plastic. Our redesigned 29, 42 and 60-inch chest and trolleys are now stronger and flaunt robust steel reinforced handles and top caps, while all trolleys have been upgraded with stainless steel worktops, replacing the former MDF based surfaces. It'd be pointless making Contour stronger and more heavy duty without increasing the capacity to hold more tools, which is why we've redesigned the entire drawer configuration, replacing the narrow and shallow drawers with wider and taller ones. Perfect for all you tool hoarders out there. With that increased storage capacity comes the need for more robust drawer slides, and we've upgraded each one to a new 45mm design with a 40kg load rating. While the top drawers of the 42 and 60-inch trolleys receive an additional 45mm centre brace to bring the capacity up to a whopping 70 kilograms. One of the bigger changes to the configurations, thanks to your feedback, is our 60-inch trolley now has a full width top drawer to fit those long tools like breaker bars, bolt cutters, spirit levels, and even a sledgehammer if you really want to. We've still got your favourites like the flip out side tray, which now comes with a new magnetic power board, and gas struts for the lids to keep them open securely. We've taken Contour up a notch and have introduced what was previously only found on our industrial-based tool armour kits, a brand new, incredible 60-inch hutch. The hutch is your go-to for easy access to the tools that you use most and is perfect for creating a more versatile workbench. The hutch features an adjustable shelf complete with a cable pass-through for the included magnetic power board, plus a steel pegboard for keeping your tools and gear organised. While there have been some pretty big changes, we've made sure that we hit the finer details too, stuff that makes life just a little bit easier. You'll find our newly designed colour-coded casters across all of the trolleys, with the 42 and 60-inch receiving suspension casters to cater for the weight of more tools. We've ditched the thin 2mm tray liners in favour of beefier 5mm thick ones for a non-slip, reliable fit, and we've also upgraded our barrel locks and keys, ensuring a stronger and more secure connection. So yes, you can even leave the key in there now. The appearance has been given a modern kick with ghost screen printing, while the Contour badge has been slimmed down. The edges of the chest also have been chamfered so that they not only look better, but they make lifting the lid on the chest that little bit easier. These changes aren't just limited to the trolleys and chests either, as the new Contour carts have received an upgraded steel handle, thicker and sturdier 5mm foam linings, and the all-new caster wheels, as well as still retaining the reversible top tray to fit the 29-inch chest for the ultimate versatility. Our team has poured over 3 years of hard work into perfecting Contour, thanks to your invaluable feedback. The new Contour range is sleeker and the perfect fit for any industry professional. Find it now at your favourite retailers, available in both iconic KINCROME blue and black. You'll love this incredible upgrade. And by the way, Mini Contour is back.